Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain how to install Google Chrome application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, Google Chrome is a freeware web browser developed by Google. It was initially released for Microsoft Windows and was later ported to most using operating systems such as Linux, Mac OS and Android. The Google Chrome is also a main component of Chrome OS, where it serves as a platform for running web apps. Before we have to install the application, we should update the system repository. Then hit enter. The repository being updated now. The updation was completed now. Now we have to add a new repository into the source list. Then hit enter. The file is open now. After adding the line into the file, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to download a key to enable the new repository. Then hit enter. The downloading process is completed now. Now we have to run the following command to enable the key. Then hit enter. Then we have to update the system repository once again. Then hit enter. The updation was completed now. Now we have to install the Google Chrome application. Then hit enter, and then here we have to press Y to proceed the process. Now we have to open a Ubuntu menu, and then here we have to type Google Chrome, and then here we can see the application. Now we have to open a Chrome, and then here we have to click OK. The browser is open now, and then here we can see the welcome page of Google Chrome. If you want to sign in your Google account, please sign in here. And then if you want to know what is the version you has been installed Google Chrome application on the system, please click here. And then here you can choose about the Chrome. And then here we can see what is the version we has been installed Google Chrome application on the system. These are all the installation process about how to install Google Chrome application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.